Right, okay, so Batoca have kindly got in contact. So after doing the review of their wired DA polisher, they've actually sent me their Series 2, which is the wireless one. So I'm going to do an unboxing, and we're going to do a basically a product review on the RAV4 that we've just acquired. So yeah, let's have a look and see what's in the box. So yeah, let's have a look. What do we get inside the box? We have got a bag. Keep it in. Cool. Okay. We've got air freshener and we've got microfiber, so that's cool. We've got polishing pads and like a buffing pad. And we've got another polishing pad and buffing pad. We've got a charger which looks as though it's probably going to go straight into the batteries. Yeah, so charger goes straight into the top of the batteries itself, so that's cool. And then we've actually got the polisher itself. So it's completely wireless. It's a DA polisher, little screen there, so I'm guessing that's going to tell us the speed we're running as well. So it's the Batoca Series 2 DA polisher. So let's have a go, see what we can do. These, they are, okay, so the battery is 5,000 milliamps, so you get 2 of those included with it. And I think it's literally just a case of slide it in and, yeah, okay, so screen gives you speed, battery. Okay, cool. That's cool, okay.
It's quite lightweight. I don't know, well, sometimes these things can be quite heavy, but the battery doesn't drag on the back. Well, lightweight body.
So cool. Yeah, okay. So we're going to use 3M Finesse it. So what I like about this is it's a proper finishing material. So fingers crossed it should give us a decent cut on this, and then we can maybe just finish it off with a real fine polish afterwards. So yeah, let's do some 3M Finesse it.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, to be fair, not a lot's come off on the pad, so I think, to be fair, I think the paint's pretty good. So let's just give this a buff and sort of see what sort of finish that's leaving. I mean, to be fair, you can't be happy with that, ain't you? That's like near mirror shine. In fact, you look at it from down the bonnet here, and that's like so much better.
Starts back up and the screen just stops now.
Oh, okay, that's cool. So I think you can really sort of see the difference between an unpolished surface and then a polished one. The difference is absolutely massive. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, and I really hope we can show it. But yeah, I'm really impressed. When you power it on, it actually tells you the RPM that you're spinning, it tells you the battery percentage, and tells you what level like the rotor is spinning at. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with that, to be fair. And we've done a half of the bonnet and we've not lost any battery yet. lighting. Notice how faded that light is. And it looks nice and shiny again. Look at that. Yeah. Right, so I'm not sure. I mean, I'm pretty impressed with the product so far, but let's see if we can polish this dent out. Do it. Pop it there. No, still there. Worth a try though. Although saying that, the paint looks really good around the dent. Yeah, don't do the bit above the door handle. Just do that
That's improved it.
I mean, it's not gone, but it's dramatically better. And again, I actually just think that just wants cutting harder. But from this dull section here to here, it's such a huge difference. Right, so what can I say about the Batoca, like the Series 2 wireless? It's really good. I'm really impressed with it. For the money, it's lightweight, it's not heavy, you can use it one-handed, it's nice and easy in that respect. Obviously you've got the screen, that helps out massively. It tells you battery percentage. We did the whole of this car. Yes, I appreciate that it is not all painted. We did the whole of this car with just one battery pack and it still has life in it. So yeah, overall I am really impressed with this. My only suggestion would be that if I could have anything, I'd have the battery so it's facing this way on the back, because I do feel like it gets a bit close to the body at times. But other than that, I'm really impressed. Anything to add, Mike?
No, exactly what Mike said.
Yeah.
And it seems to come with a lot of accessories too, plenty of pads.
For the money, and I'm really impressed. It's a good little bit of kit. Yeah, definitely recommend. Would definitely buy one. One last thing to add to the Batoca review, they give you a free air freshener, which is always nice. And this one smells lovely. So, let's get it in. So, literally just one last thing to add. Batoca sent me it, yes, for free, but they told me to review it and tell me what I thought. So that was my honest review of the product. So let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help me out. Thanks, and I hope this video has helped you out. Cheers. Bye.